I'm from the Sewpower sewing machine, and the Sewpower is the company focused on all the knit garments machinery, and we can provide all the very good quality sewing machine, plus we also can give the complete sewing solution. This Garmentech exhibition we join is our second time, and we are very happy to join here. Up to now, we are getting very good feedback in this exhibition. So future, we will also continue to join the Garmentech. We are hope to promote our brands in this exhibition to let more and more people understand what is the Sewpower sewing machine. And plus the Somax is also we are working by the sewing automation. We are in this industry actually for last 12 years. And we know about the Bangladesh garment factory. We also know what is the requirement from their side. So this is what we are looking forward to the contribution together.